Nah laugh loud.
Konshens being Konshens as usual. So, nice flight. So you all partying last night, having a great time. You all accustomed to Trinidad and Tobago first of all, so.
Energy place. So we just come merging with our energy from over that side and just come merging with the ones here.
So you came from where? Because following you all on Instagram, I'm seeing you all just going.
Yeah, different. I mean, we all left from Jamaica yesterday. You know what I mean? But we got different shows all over, which part, some shows prior to this one, and I mean others after here, same way. So I just ongoing, moving, working process, music. Straight. Yeah, man.
So GOP,
We are the Poopa.
what's happening for this summer? You are
Baga
here.
sitting man. You see it there. From here, say Jamaica again, then Fest, and then Europe and some baga sitting. So I just the work with there, I go and do, I go and record the song, them go and put out the song, them and just go and put in the work, as I work it there, You see it? I work, keep the thing going and keep it moving. So I just that way I focus on. Work! You see it? Consistency is key, Kick out.
Sub King.
Yes, sir.
Sub the boring.
Big up, Yeah, man, I'm just happy to be here, I see how the beautiful ladies in Trinidad,
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Konshens being Konshens.
Traveling, big up yourself, my brother, You see, you wrecked the club last night, The ladies were having fun, and the ones were having fun as well, Tomorrow is all about TAO.
As I would say.
You understand? I was just gonna go over there and turn it over. That's what we do,
So you're trying to pretend to be all cool and
No.
calm. Yeah, you're trying to trick the people. We know you're already,
Just drink some water, It's cool,
We know you're already,
Yeah, brother.
We don't want you cool.
So big up to all the Trinidad massive, Yeah, it's a really a pleasure to be here alongside Aidonia and Busy Signal, icons in the music industry and dancehall. I think there's another great artist on the show as well. I don't see it yet. You don't know, we're happy to be here and it's going to be great tomorrow. Big up to the promotional team. Bless him.
Tell me when you finish, I can That's what I like to play, Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
So, seeing the three of y'all here, how come there haven't been a collaboration as yet between the three of y'all?
No, what is to be must be and can't stop.
Straight.
So I just that's something I said. You know what I mean? Because
Straight.
a lot of fans will be asking that question. I'm sure about that because them I see all of them. You see the whole of them sitting there up in pan right now.
Yeah.
Them I see them and them I can ask all of these. But what is to be must be.
Straight.
Yeah, man. And if I not just be, it still must be. Trust me.
So album wise, what's happening with the three of y'all?
Well, I have a double album in process right now. You know what I mean? I like a reggae, I like a dance, and I like a major laser type of stuff. So that's what I'm focusing on right now. I do some different work to do a double album, put out a double album, with also a video reel. Let's try something different. Because people want to see. Your grandmother always tell me, say, no buy no pussy in the bag. People want to see things.
Straight.
You know what I mean? Them want visual, lights, stuff. So I will pussy in the bag them no want.
Straight.
So we want to give them something for them, see what them I get. See, so you can actually hear, but now you can visualize. You know what I mean? You can put the words, and then now you get the real meaning of you see what I say.
Straight.
Yeah.
Alright, so GOP.
Yo. We go some thing there in Project Sweat, you see me? The first single, after that was the Boring Girl single, you see me?
Right.
Second single, The Pretty Please, you see it? One old song on it, a song that was released like 2 years ago, a song called Meet Again, you see me? And then the rest of the song is some new thing, a beer song for the girl, them, you see me?
Yeah.
Slow tempo, medium tempo, all soca dip on it and, them thing there, so.
Yeah,
You see
soca?
it? Yeah, soca. I must say, we always, I do some soca thing from them time, the tip on your two and them thing there, and Chakaman them thing, there's some kind of soca fusion, so. That dip on it too, you see, 10 songs, it's going to be released like the end of July, you see it, iTunes and thing, so. That we focus on now, and then after this, I work on the real album with Steve with the Genius, you see me? I go kick out right after that, so. As me tell you, I just work, thing plug in, you see it?
Alright, well, since it will never plug out, your fans in Trinidad and Tobago would love you all to participate in Trinidad and Tobago Carnival.
Yeah.
We need some contributions.
Yeah.
It's not just Trinidad and Tobago Carnival at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It's a Caribbean
Straight up.
festival.
One
Straight
carry
up.
come. So we have to carry come.
So Konshens, what's up with you?
Well,
Album-wise?
You know, strange enough, I don't have a EP doing that is called Project Sweat, and I'm sure that is dedicated towards the ladies. I also have an EP working on right now. It's called Sex Pon the Rhythm, you know, and it's really, you see them R&B boys there, Chris Brown and the Trey Songs. We're gonna show them say we have the ladies locker than them. You know what I mean? So it's really showing that Jamaican style and Caribbean style is really what the girls have like. You know? So that is gonna be completed soon. I also have 2 mixtapes. One of them is called Money Plan. You know, and that one is for the streets. Yeah, for all of the youth them in the streets, it's about 40 to 50 songs. Then our next mixtape we call Gal Thing, and I have to explain that to you. I'm sure you understand. You know, so it's a whole heap of work and a lot of singles. See an artist over there so named Javada, him so boss, seeing, and it's all about doing more work and you know, just doing the music for the people then.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Alright, so you know what ding dong? Instrumental. Freestyle Friday. Freestyle Friday.
Alright.
96.1. Yeah. Freestyle Friday. Ladies and gentlemen, it's BC Signal, Aidonia, Konshens, live and in living. You know what I mean? First one.
Down to the man. What is galangin? Hey Ding, what is galangin?
For the girl them.
It can turn up so we can hear we are DJ.
Don't worry about it.
For the girl them. For the girl them.
It is yours, so.
Freestyle
So we can hear.
Friday.
Yeah.
Freestyle
I mean, Konshens say my mixtape name what? That one the name Sex Pon the Rhythm. Sex Pon the Rhythm. Y'all go and wind down, vex pon the rhythm. WhatsApp us send text pon the rhythm. Hey, who next pon the rhythm? Sex pon the rhythm. Sex pon the rhythm. Y'all happy up, don't vex pon the rhythm. Y'all go and like shit pon the rhythm. Hey.
Doing the next pan the rhythm.
Alright.
No boring gal, boring gal. No man no one, no boring gal, gal. Me say you can't boring gal. Boy, you see my gal Trinidad chicken rock out. Gal, you a brokey broker. You know fi Tony that way, you a brokey broker. You know fi cock up your foot, then you a brokey broker. You know fi play with me body with the cocoa butter. You know fi sit down, you a brokey broker. Gal wine fi the down, you a brokey broker. Your body ride fi the down, you a brokey broker. Konshens next pan the rhythm.
Alright, 1, 2, 3 and till Lolo. Girl me say bad man no do. Yeah, you know it's a joy.
Sex pon the rhythm. Y'all
Yeah.
get mad and don't vex pon the rhythm.
Yes.
Some a WhatsApp and send text pon the rhythm. Hey, who are them next pon the rhythm? Y'all sex pon the rhythm. Sex pon the rhythm. Y'all happy da? Vex pon the rhythm. Hey, tell them who next pon the rhythm.
Oh Lord, drop out the name, let me talk first, because I'm for hear me now.
No,
See? Whisper voice, or go small voice, watch your style. Yeah. But anyway, slow it down, why rush it? Now I cleanse, easy does it. The girl them love for me go hard for them scream out Javada.
On the rhythm.
Alright, sure. Well, it's my philosophy. Girl fi get love properly. Beat it like a bad bikini. All stamina daddy. Full up a energy destination. Yeah, have stop on me. Girl network. Me a them service provider. Specialized pan now for the. Girl them love. Oh, misky. Hey!
Get up another rhythm.